Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Today we're gonna be doing Southside type beat. I'm really tired right now, and you know what? Let's just get to it, man. Alright, let's start with the dark note. This is interesting. I like. Alright, I'm too tired to be pissed off right now. Like, I don't. Alright, let's start up again. I'm gonna show y'all the melody. It's good and stuff, you know? Here's it. There you go. I hope. I don't know. Okay, we're back in action, ready to finish this beat. Finally, you know what? I'm not even gonna worry about the melodies anymore. I'm going to the drums. Just taking more than a day to finish this video, and it should not have taken that long. So we're gonna go straight to the drum. Alright, pattern is Gucci. I'm gonna add a snare real quick. Alright, so this is what I got so far. I don't have the 808 pattern at all. 808 pattern is about to be nice, it's about to be crazy. Alright, but look, this is what I got so far. Yeah, that's what I got. 808 pattern's obviously gonna spice it up and the kick and everything. So we're gonna do that right now. This melody, I'm kind of feeling it. I mean, I'm always feeling my melody. You know what? This is, alright. 808 pattern, let's do it. Alright, so 808 pattern's all Gucci, ready to gizzo. Actually, everything's done, to be honest. Everything's done, but I need to find a counter melody. I need to, like, it sounds dope. Alright, it sounds dope right now with one melody, but like a counter melody is always like, you know, I need it. Alright, so I'm gonna try again to find another counter melody. If I can't find it, whatever, I'm just end it. But yeah, we'll try, see what we can do. Alright y'all, so the beat is all done, ready to go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it wasn't too boring for you. Sorry I haven't been posting a lot, you know what I'm saying? It's just been really stressful with life and everything, so I'm gonna get back to my 3 videos per week minimum. For 2 weeks in a row I only posted 4 videos, so total. So yeah, I apologize for that. So don't worry, next week or this week, whenever this is up, it should be better with my uploading and stuff. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to hit that share button, share with your friends, tell them about Docs Gang, you know how it is, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one, and peace. Unorthodox beats.